Hello viewers, welcome back to Annie's Cooking Diary. So today let's learn how to make egg Szechuan fried rice easily at your home. So let's get started.
So first let's see what are the ingredients required. I'm taking Szechuan chutney, green chili sauce, or you can even use red chili sauce, hot and sweet tomato chili sauce, and dark soya sauce, chopped carrots, cabbage and capsicum, onion, finely chopped garlic, ginger garlic paste, salt per taste, red chili powder, pepper powder, eggs and basmati rice. So now we are done with the ingredients. Now let's start the procedure. So into a bowl, let's pour some water and soak the basmati rice for some time. Let's soak it. And on the other side, let's place a pan and pour some oil. And this oil is to fry the eggs. So let's wait till the oil get heated. So once the oil gets heated, now let's add the eggs. So let's break the eggs and add it one by one. So now I have added all the eggs. So now into this let's add some red chili powder.
Now let's add some salt
And pepper powder. And let's do not disturb it for a minute. And now let's close it with the lid. And I think you guys had a doubt that why did I tell chili powder and pepper powder in the ingredients. This is because I just wanted to add it in an egg so that it gets a good flavor. So now let's take out the lid and see it has half boiled. Now let's disturb it. Yay. And now let's make it into small pieces. So see, I have made it into smaller pieces and let it fry for a minute. Let's close the lid. So after a minute, let's take out the lid and check it out. See, our egg has boiled very nicely. So now let's serve it into a bowl and place it. And now into the same pan, let's add some oil. And let's wait till the oil gets heated. See, so the oil got heated. Now let's add finely chopped garlic and give it a mix. So once the garlic gets roasted well, let's add some finely chopped onion and let's give it a stir. And let's wait till this onion turn transparent. And now into this, let's add ginger garlic paste and mix it once. And now into this, let's add finely chopped carrot and let's give it a mix. And now let's add a pinch of salt and give it a mix again. And now let's close it with a lid and let it for a minute. Let it cook for a minute. So our carrot has been cooked. Let's check whether it is cooked properly or not, completely or not. But just let's cut it. So if it cuts very easily, it means that it has been cooked. So see. Yeah, it's cutting very easily. So I think now we can add the next vegetables. Now let's add the cabbage and capsicum and now mix it. So as cabbage and capsicum gets cooked very faster, we can add it at the last. But carrot takes a bit time, so I have added it before. So now let's close the lid and let it cook for a minute. So till that boil on the other side, I have soaked the basmati rice. Now into this let's add some water. So I have added water and let's add some oil and boil the rice. So I have placed it on the stove and I'm letting the rice boil for some time. So on the other side we have placed the vegetables to cook, right? So let's check it out. So I think our vegetables are cooked very well, and don't overcook it, because if it is a bit crispy it will be so tasty to have. So now it's done. Now into this let's add the egg and mix it once. And now into this rice let's add some salt. And now into this let's add dark soya sauce, tomato ketchup and green chili sauce, and let's add the Szechuan chutney. And now let's give it a mix. So we have done adding all the sauces and giving it a mix. And now let's off the flame and leave it for a minute. So I think our rice got cooked well. So now let's off it and strain the water. So now I have strained out the rice, and I think you can see. Now into this let's add the rice. So after adding the rice, let's make it equal. And let's close the lid and rest it for a minute again. So now let's start mixing it. So after mixing, our egg Szechuan fried rice is ready. Let's serve it into a plate. So our egg Szechuan fried rice is ready. Let's top it with some chilies and lemon slice on the top. And our yummy egg Szechuan fried rice is ready to have. So if you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and tap on the bell icon for the updates and notifications.